Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lunge with daggers in Hytale. This game has a wide variety of weapons that you can use for combat, with each weapon having their very own unique abilities and charged attacks. The daggers will make you hold each blade with each of your hands, which makes the use of a shield impossible. This weapon offers a fast chain of attacks that will whittle down the enemy's health in quick succession. But its best key element would be its charge attack. You can do the charge attack if you hold down left click on your mouse. If you do the lunge normally, it will propel you forward by a few blocks. And if it connects with a mob, you will bounce off a few steps and deal a massive amount of damage. But you can make this better, and that's by charging your attack and jumping just before you lunge. What will happen is that you will end up lunging yourself over a dozen blocks, causing you to instantly close your distance between your enemies. And if it lands, you will bounce off again just like normal. And this is how to lunge using the daggers in Hytale.